Are you guys even aware what you guys did to our lives?
Are you
guys even aware of what you guys did to us as a family on that day?
Miss Kumalo? Miss Kumalo? Miss Kumalo?
Is there a fond memory that you remember of you and Senzo or any of your partners and the Kelly? So I want you to tell me about the Kelly.
We've had very many fond moments. I think that was one genuine relationship that I really have ever had in my entire existence. That relationship was there to make me to break down the walls I've had in my upbringing and also just allow love to love me. We used to have this game where I think it was so funny. That game was, we used to pour cold drink, right? Put it in a glass, on both glasses. So, mawuphuze wafika la, nami ngayibeka la, uyibeke khona, ngiyakushada mfethu. Serious. Very much possible, I can tell you that for free. So, and we were having Fanta Pine. That was his favorite drink, Fanta Pine. So he drank, it went all the way down. I drank, it went all the way there, and it sat right there. And he says, no, uyangiskema, let's drink again. He drank again, and I drank again, and it ended there. The next day, he came home with a catalog of rings, and he was like, choose your ring.
Yeah. And when he passed away, how did you feel? How did that make Kelly feel?
I lost my best friend. I lost a part of me that I will never get back. It's life.
Yeah. And the hopes for the case? What are your hopes?
None of my business. I don't have hopes for rubbish. I have no hopes for rubbish. I'm sorry. I said what I said.
Hopes for the case? What are your hopes?
None of my business. I don't have hopes for rubbish. I have no hopes for rubbish. I'm sorry.
Sanibonani Nijani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please make sure that you do subscribe, you watch and you leave a message, and if possible please do watch the adverts. Today we're speaking about Kelly Khumalo and Senzo Meyiwa. Kelly Khumalo, this month or this weekend, she has been celebrating 20 years in music, meaning ukuthi wangena kwi-industry two decades ago, and uhlale phansi ke noSowetan wakhuluma nabo ecabanga nje ekhumbula ukuthi wangena kanjani emculweni, and also discussing the future of music as well as the new album that she is dropping called Rebirth. Bebesebembuza ke obviously ngoSenzo Meyiwa wakhumbula ke ikhathi ezinhle abenazo noSenzo, and she even mentions that when she lost uSenzo, she lost a part of herself, and she does mention that uSenzo wayese elethile catalog yokuthi akazokhetha ama-ring, okusho ukuthi kwangenzeka ukuthi uKelly Khumalo agcine eshadile noSenzo. Yize uSenzo Meyiwa wayeshade noMandisa ngaleso sikhathi benabantwana, kusho ukuthi ke mhlambe wasazi noma wezothatha isithembu noma yini. But ke ukuxakile ke ukuthi thema bebembuza ke ngokuthi what is she hoping for a case, wathi that's nine of her business, akanama hopes ke case, which is kind of confusing. What do you mean you don't care for a case while the person you also claim ukuthi was love of your life, was part of you, ubumthanda, you had plans, kodwa futhi awunandaba if the justice is done kuyena or not in terms of kushona kwakhe. Asimazi ukuthi ubeqonde ngayiphi indlela ukuthi akanandaba necase in terms of the fact ukuthi akafuna ubona justice. But then again it's also confusing. But then again phela we all know ukuthi yena, she does know ukuthi ubani wabulela uSenzo because she was in that house, and we all know, and there's been a lot of stories obviously is around case ukuthi uyafuna ukufakaza, kubethiwa akafuni, bethiwa uyena oyayekelwa, bethiwa ukuprotect abantu abathile. Asazi iqiniso iyena uKelly nodadewabo abalaziyo ngempela ukuthi naye umngane kaSenzo ukuthi kwenzakalani kuleya yindlu ngaloba busuku ekwabulawa kaDutshulwa ngayo uSenzo Meyiwa kwase kuba kuphela kanjalo ke kwindaba yakhe. But anyway, nevertheless, happy 20 years celebration to Kelly, and we're looking forward to hear her album Rebirth. One thing we can never take away from Kelly Khumalo is the fact that she is talented. Very talented, very talented. She is a good singer and she's a mother, you know. I think aneka Senzo Meyiwa usaphindwa athole ngengane nomunye umdlali webhola futhi uyabathanda abadlali bebhola singasho kanjalo, and ingane yakhe isikhulile njengamanje. Mhlawumbe it is for real Rebirth. Enjoy ke Kelly Khumalo.